Hey everyone, my name is Kirk Andre de Guzman, and this is my reflection about Chapter 1 Nature and Concept of Management. Definition and function of management. Management can be defined as the systematic process of planning, organizing, leading, and controlling resources to effectively and efficiently achieve the objectives of an organization. This process entails the coordination of human, financial, and physical resources to fulfill strategic goals. The four fundamental functions of management are planning, establishing objectives, and determining the necessary actions to accomplish them. Organizing, structuring resources and tasks in coherent manner to execute the plan. Leading, inspiring and directing employees to perform optimally. Controlling, assessing progress and making necessary adjustments to ensure the achievement of goals. Evolution of management theories. Development of management theories has progressed over time, beginning with classical theories and prioritized efficiency and organizational structure. This was succeeded by the human relations movement, underscored the significance of employee motivation and interpersonal dynamics. Subsequently, system theory and contingent theory emerged, viewing organizations as dynamic entities and promoting management practices tailored to specific contexts. Contemporary approaches, including total quality management and leadership theories, emphasizing ongoing improvement and adaptive leadership. Function, roles, and skills of manager. Manager engage in essential functions such as planning, organizing, leading, and controlling. They assume various roles, including interpersonal, informational, and decisional, to effectively guide their teams to solve issues and make strategic choices. Proficient managers must possess a combination of technical and human conceptual skills.